The tradition of trade and industry in India has been rich and varied over the past centuries. Many identities have been established through visionary enterprise and dedication to the nation to make it a truly self-sufficient country, catering to all its needs through indigenous production. In this saga spanning generations of entrepreneurs, one family stands out as one of the oldest business houses of India, the Dhuliawalas, with roots dating back to 1664. The descendants of the Dhuliawalas made their entry in the iron and steel sector in 1903, when late Shri Hari Krishan Somani migrated to the industrial town of Kanpur, where he set up a steel foundry to cater to the requirements of the textile, engineering, and sugar mills of the region. The family later diversified into international steel trading. This move resulted in global exposure that brought rich experience and knowledge of the steel industry and international trade to the family. The group, motivated and enriched due to their rich experience and knowledge, established their first ever steel rolling mill in 1955 to manufacture construction steel bars and rods to capitalize on the wave of post-independence industrialization and development in the country. After a family restructuring in 1974, Mr. Rajendra Kumar Somani and his son Mr. Krishan Kumar Somani made a successful re-entry into the steel rolling industry by acquiring a cross-country rolling mill in 1978, which is now popularly known as RHL Profiles Limited.
Our forefathers shifted from Rajasthan to Dhulia, which is in Maharashtra. From Dhulia, an office was opened in Delhi in 1752, and which were in Delhi we were known as Dhuliawalas, and another office opened in Kanpur in 1889. And here we started another rolling mill, and which is still running in the name of RHL Profiles Limited, and which is manufacturing bars, rods, TMT bars, and also they have a big structural mill where they can roll all types of profiles. This business is being done, and my motto is this, that they should make quality products and maintain their business standards of the dealings to the best satisfaction of the customers and keep things straightforward and honest.
At the onset, the company began its operations by manufacturing round bars used in the construction sector. With the development of new technology, the company upgraded its facility to produce high-strength twisted bars. The company's manufactured steel products were known for its quality, and to further strengthen its brand, it entered into collaboration with Torresteg Steel Corporation of Luxembourg, Germany, to market its products under the trademark brand of Tor. RHL Profiles products grew to popularity under brand name RHL Tor 40 and RHL Tor 50. The company's unflinching emphasis on quality and customer satisfaction made it a preferred conversion agent of Steel Authority of India, SAIL. The company's products were also registered with BIS as early as 1980, when BIS certification was unheard of in the secondary steel sector. Thus, a construction steel brand by the name of RHL was born. The 21st century has witnessed a rapid escalation in the costs of major raw materials in the construction and housing sector. This has spurred the company's management to introduce high-quality steel products with unique blend of properties, strength, elongation, and significant savings to the steel users. In order to achieve these defined objectives, the company has taken a giant step by upgrading its existing rolling mill with state-of-the-art rolling mill equipment comprising PLC-controlled electronic equipment, CNC machine, automatic variable speed-controlled atmospheric cooling bed, high-speed flying shears, automatic bending machine, water cooling tower, and the latest German quenching technology. This enables RHL's manufacturing facility to produce different grades of thermomechanically treated TMT bars in accordance with IS 1786 quality standards and similar other international standards.
Recently, we have set up complete facilities to make TMT bars of all grades and quality. We are in a position now to make virtually all grades of TMT, FE500, FE500D, FE550, FE550D and FE600. We have put up state-of-the-art cooling bed so that we can produce excellent quality of TMT bars which will provide complete satisfaction to the customer and also result in immense savings to the customer.
Based on the rich experience and deep domain knowledge acquired over the generations, the company has successfully experimented and innovated by standardizing and rationalizing its business operations, right from the step of vendor identification, raw material and consumables procurement, manufacturing process and procedure, quality control and testing, storage, packaging, and dispatch of finished products to its customers.
Raw material security is imperative for every industry. Our company also has plans to put up a sponge iron facility and steel melting facility to meet its growing needs for the future.
Mild steel billets are procured by RHL profiles from iron ore and sponge iron-based steel plants. The billets are tested by quality control inspectors for their physical uniformity and chemical properties in conformance to IS 2830 and IS 2831 quality standards for the grade of steel to be produced. The approved raw material is charged in the reheating furnace, where it is slowly heated and soaked to a temperature of approximately 1200 degrees Celsius. The heated steel billets then are passed through a series of electronically controlled roughing, intermediate and finishing rolling mill stands to produce steel bars of the desired grade and size. At various stages of rolling, the rolled material is tested for its conformance to the rolling standards. The hot rolled steel bars with a finishing temperature of approximately 950 to 1000 degrees Celsius are then passed through a water quenching box where cool water is sprayed at extremely high pressure, which suddenly cools the bar surface to a temperature of approximately 550 to 600 degrees Celsius. This rapid quenching process produces a soft and hot inner Austin-tight core, along with a hard and cold outer martensite microstructure. The heat from the hot core dissipates to the outer surface, resulting in tempering, which produces an outer tempered martensite rim. Each bar undergoes transformation of its inner core to ferrite-pearlite microstructure, as it is cooled separately under controlled atmospheric conditions on an automatic state-of-the-art variable speed rake type cooling bed. Consequently, the hard and strong outer martensitic rim, along with the soft ductile inner ferrite-pearlite resultant microstructure, imparts the TMT bar with its unique property of high strength and elongation. The raw material specification, rate of quenching and tempering are controlled to produce different grades of TMT bars. These TMT bars are cut into uniform 12-meter lengths and fastened into small bundles. The product thereafter is loaded onto the trucks manually and dispatched to customers.
At RHL Profiles Limited, we are striving hard to achieve maximum customer satisfaction. We are capable to produce and are producing FE500, FE500D, FE550 and FE600 grades of TMT steel. We are also selling our products on MRP basis and on a per piece basis. To enhance value to the customer, we are also contemplating introduction of cut and bend steel, which is specially going to help consumers who consume steel in bulk quantity.
Let's look at some of the salient advantages of RHL Gold TMT bars over ordinary TMT bars.
At the moment, our unit has got a lot of unutilized capacity. We believe that with the growth of the Indian economy in due course, we would be able to utilize this capacity of ours. Therefore, we are planning expansion into alloy grade of steels, automobile grades, and addition of structurals and other long products.
The quality standards of RHL Profiles Limited conform to ISO 9001-2008 standards and are additionally certified by ICS quality certifications.
The only criterion of my family has been in business for 300 years is a unique example in the country. And the basic was this, that we are very honest and fair dealings throughout.
RHL also recognizes its social responsibilities and has been actively involved in many social projects such as umbrella distribution, tea distribution, tree plantation, blood donation, hearing aid distribution, visits to old age homes, village schools, etc. RHL also maintains and manages a green belt within the factory premises to preserve ecology. RHL, by building a strong core, is revolutionizing the steel industry. RHL, through its vision and mission, aspires to build a strong India and pledges to secure the lives of all Indians with a stronger construction steel product that makes their lives safer, secure, and brightens the future of our great nation, that is India. RHL, a name of trust in the TMT world.